I'm Sue. I'm 60 and I'm a single parent and foster carer. I've lived in Conisky all my life. I decided to become a foster carer about 15 years ago. I was a single parent at the time with a teenager of my own, and it was something that I'd thought about for ages. My son is in his late 30s now and lives just down the road with his partner and little girl. I am very much part of the community, and giving something back has always been important to me. I'm doing my bit by fostering. The local authority fostering team here in Flintshire has been fabulous. I think they're one of the reasons why I'm still a foster parent. They're a bit like me in a way. They're all local people who just want to help these children and give them a loving home. I've fostered quite a few children over the years, but the brother and sister living with me now have been on this journey with me since the beginning. They had a tough start in life. Their mum was struggling with life a bit, so couldn't cope, and the children needed other adults to take care of them. They were fostered by their 9 at first. They were really young at the time. Like any children their age, they needed lots of attention and time, more than she was able to offer. That's when they came to stay with me. That was 10 years ago now. Their 9 is still in their lives. We all spend time together, and she supports me and the children too. I think it's important that they've had that consistency and stability in their lives. I listen to them. I love them. We have had tough days, but we've come through them together. Above all, I will always fight their corner. They are growing up into great young people, and they are the reason that I foster. To think that I've played a part in their lives and will continue to do so for as long as they want me, well, it just makes me feel wonderful.